So hi Sanika, how are you?
I'm good, Ayushi. Thank you. It's my privilege to be on the platform and serve the
I-
people.
It is more privilege to me that you gave me this good opportunity that I could bring you on my page. Thank you so much for this thing. And
Not a problem. Anytime you can ping me. And this is the need of an hour where we should be there for the people.
definitely. And my aim behind doing this is that कि in hardships में कि अगर हमारा जो 15-20 minutes का video भी है ना, if it can bring some smile to a person's face or कोई awareness spread कर सके, that is the only main aim motto behind doing this, making this page out of Follow My Psychology.
True, very true. And people are going through a lot in this pandemic that we cannot really come to this point exactly what people are going through. So
Exactly.
even if you bring smile on one people's face and try to change their outlook towards and perception and just deal with their problems, that would be really grateful.
It's right. So, firstly, I would request you to tell my viewers about your profession, about your contribution to the field of psychology.
Sure. So I'm Sanika Dhariskar. I'm a clinical psychologist, and since last 5 years, I've been practicing in this field. So as a mental health care practitioner, I deal with psychological patients like depression, the ones who go through depression, anxiety, stress, or any kind of mental health illness.
Okay. So the thing is, I would like to tell the viewers that I've seen her work experience, guys, and really, we are really lucky that we have her on a page. She had a massive and a huge work experience in this last 5 years. I was really very much impressed. You have been working with so many hospitals in this last years. That is really great. And
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
really wish you more and more success ahead. You know?
Sure. Thanks a ton.
Yeah. Okay, so the
Yeah.
thing was, let's get back to the topic. If we are saying कि मैं अक्सर बोल रही हूँ ना कि लास्ट टाइम भी when I had a talk with on your call, जनरली हम यही बात करते हैं कि आज क्या होता है ना कि नॉर्मली अगर किसी को छींक भी आ जाए, स्नीज भी हो जाए ना या कफ हो जाए गले में, तो दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग वरीसम हो जाते हैं कि यार हम लोग को कोरोना तो नहीं हो गया. तो इज इट कि ये जो एंजाइटी हो रही है, ये एंशियस फीलिंग हो रही है, ये क्या डिसऑर्डर को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है? सो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग इन दिस एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर? व्हाट इज एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर?
श्योर अभी हम देख सकते हैं कि कोविड का बहुत क्राइसिस चल रहा है एंड एज द कोविड क्राइसिस इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे we could come to very deep pandemic crisis of mental health and the major issue where people are suffering is anxiety. Now exactly what is anxiety? Anxiety is a worry, not anxiety makes you feel anxious. Okay, लोग ये सोचते हैं what if this happens to me, what if I don't survive for tomorrow. Okay, so all thoughts, all kinds of negative thoughts और जिसको हम चिंता बोलते हैं, so that is excessive worry we call irrational thoughts. So the things people come into the contact is the things which are not in our control.
Right.
And anxiety disorder comprises of intensive thoughts, worries, irrational thoughts, and many other thoughts like we cannot resist there. Okay, so
Hmm.
anxiety is one type of disorder. It's not actually a disorder till it is normal. Okay, it is okay to be it is okay to get anxiety. Okay,
Okay.
but if it is going very high
Hmm.
and it is going very intensely, so at
Right.
that particular time it is quoted as an anxiety disorder.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
सो जैसे ही हम बोलते हैं ना कि मेंटल इलनेस ना किसी की रेस देख रहा है, जेंडर देखता है, इन द सेम वे टुडे वी आर सीइंग नो कोरोना इज नॉट सीइंग समवन्स एज, जेंडर, नथिंग. सो
Exactly.
द थिंग इज कोरोना जैसे किसी को भी हो सकता है, तो इज एंजाइटी अ डिसऑर्डर व्हिच कैन हैपन टू एनी एज ग्रुप पर्सन?
Yes, anxiety can be to the child, could occur to adulthood. So it starts from childhood. Okay,
Okay.
so anxiety also comprises of sub minimal divisions. There could be phobia, there could be fear, there could be too many things. There could be PTSD, where we call post traumatic stress disorder.
Right.
There could be OCD, that is obsessive compulsive
Compulsive
disorder.
disorder, right.
People are confused between anxiety and panic attack.
Mm-hmm.
People feel that I'm worrying a lot. That worry is literally tearing me up.
And that's causing me panic attacks. People feel
That's
that.
causing panic attack.
Right,
Yes.
right.
So panic attack and anxiety has only one difference, is anxiety comes into a very gradual phase, whereas panic attack comes within a second.
Okay, yeah, right.
It takes within a peak. Okay.
Yeah,
So
right.
that's the difference between anxiety and panic.
मतलब आप
So
बोलना
basically,
चाहते हो, yeah, sorry, go
yeah,
ahead.
yeah.
So आप
No, no,
बोलना
you may
चाहते हो
continue.
कि एंजाइटी जब स्टार्ट होती है तो इट टेक्स टाइम, इट कम्स टुडे टुमारो, मतलब वो साल या महीने लगते हैं उसे फॉर्म होने की, एक डिसऑर्डर बनने के लिए. बट पैनिक अटैक इज इन मोमेंट्स कि हाँ मतलब आई
Yes.
सी द ट्रिगर एंड आई फील पैनिक एंड अटैक कम टू मी.
True, 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 very true. So our heart will be pounding, we will be getting irrational thoughts out of context. So the
Trembling
moment
also,
you
right?
start scribbling, okay. So those are like panic attacks, choking in the heart.
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
where you feel that I'm choked, I don't know what to do.
I can't speak
You
out,
will be- Yeah, that is panic. Like
right.
person express नहीं कर पाता, suffocation होती है.
Okay.
Yeah, so that
So
is panic attack.
yeah, so the thing is हमने जब एंजाइटी की बात की and you had mentioned कि एंजाइटी अगर बढ़ जाए and feeling anxious, feeling anxiety, like having anxiety is very normal, you said, but anxiousness अगर बढ़ जाए, anxiety बढ़ जाए, then you have to feel that you are suffering from anxiety disorder. So can you tell us some criteria or a couple of symptoms which we can see कि हाँ इस इंसान में, as if I, like a person is suffering, the person can diagnose it himself or can help someone else to diagnose and can help a professional go for a professional help. So what are symptoms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So symptoms of anxiety would be, you will be feeling very nervous, you will be tensed, you will be having an increased heart rate, you will be feeling irritable, you will be feeling fatigue, okay, you will be
Okay.
feeling boredom at times. The symptoms must also be including like sweating, trembling, okay, your heart tries to pounder a lot, having trouble in sleep, okay, you're not being able to focus on what you want to do.
Over
You
you
feel
mentioned the word fatigue. Is it only mental fatigue or as well as a person feel physical fatigue also in that?
physical fatigue, overall fatigue,
Okay.
mental health fatigue as well as physical fatigue.
Okay.
Okay, so it also includes that, as well as it also anxiety is most compromises of excessive worry that you cannot control at all, overthinking, okay,
Right.
क्या होगा, मैं कैसे रहूंगी, so this type of thought, what if this happens to me,
To
so
me.
this particular what if, this comes into anxiety. Then irritability, okay, aggressive behavior, social phobia, people won't try to go to any of the programs, or they will be isolated.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all the symptoms of anxiety.
True. So the thing is अभी एंजाइटी के सिम्टम भी पढ़ लिए, बट यू नो लोग बोलेंगे कि हम छोटी छोटी बात के लिए प्रोफेशनल हेल्प के लिए नहीं जा सकते. अगर बढ़ गया देन या आई फील कि मैं जाऊं, बिकॉज आज कंप्लेंट्स क्या है कि कि स्नीज किया तो दे फील नो दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम कोरोना एंड दे गोना ओवरथिंक, मेडिसिन लेंगे, ये डॉक्टर को फोन करेंगे कि मेरे को कोरोना हुआ है, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम मी, दे विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्स्ट्रा केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स एंड दैट इज गोना मेक देम फील मोर वर्स, right? So the thing is iske karan, so what are the, you can say, self remedies or what is the way to cope up with this anxiety on your own? एक हद तक आपको प्रोफेशनल को हेल्प लेनी ही पड़ेगी, बट जहां तक उस हद तक नहीं पहुंच रहा है तो आप अपने आप को कैसे कोप अप कर सकते हो?
So the very big reason of anxiety is, first of all, you need to accept that I am going through this anxiety.
Okay.
Try to accept the reality that I'm having this issue and I should go and consult. How you should cope up with it? First of all, you need to meditate, which is known as mindfulness training. Mindfulness training is, even out of one day, if you give 1 hour to yourself and concentrate on your breath, like on the 5 counts, just breathe in. On the 5 counts, just breathe out. So that particular mindfulness training is very essential for anxiety.
That can be really easy also, but people can do it if they want to.
Yeah, but people should do it.
Okay, yeah,
because
that comes.
right now people are at home, they can have a good schedule with their family,
Right.
but they can also have a self care,
Very
which
true.
can really lead anxiety in a very good, like it can be normal. Anxiety is curable, okay,
Yeah, right.
but if we take a proper care, then anxiety is curable.
Okay.
Second thing what we should do is try to communicate. The more you communicate, the more you communicate with your friends, the more you communicate with your children, the more you communicate with your family, you won't be able to know what is anxiety. You may not be feeling that.
Yeah,
So very important is communication.
right.
Third, you should listen to music. Music not like DJ or something, but a soothing music
Self-soothing
that would
music.
really calm your mind. That is really a very good help for anxiety, the ones who are dealing with anxiety.
Okay.
Second thing I would recommend is you should journalize. A very good technique for anxiety, you could journalize. Suppose whatever thought you are getting,
You could
whatever
write.
is triggering, you should write it down.
Right.
Suppose I'm getting any sort of triggering thought, I will write it down and try to rethink in a very good way that that makes me think in a very different way.
True, very true. The
Like,
thing is,
what if
as
this happens?
yeah, right. As a CBT person, like I've been doing my CBT course also. So उसमें भी it is writing therapy plays a very very important part because उससे एक thoughts में clarity आती है कि नहीं this
Exactly.
is कि ये change भी हो सकता है. This is not the reality. This is what I'm thinking.
Right, right. So that is what your one particular thought which is triggering will help you. That is known as help you in taking out your cognitive distortion.
Right, very
Because
true.
sometimes we are worried. तो जब हम घबराते हैं तो हमारे मन में कुछ ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अरे अभी मैं क्या करूं, दिमाग काम करना बंद करता है.
Right.
Okay, we are totally stuck. But
Mm,
if you think, if you write it down, your answer is there with you, but you're not finding it.
true.
So the more you journalize, the more you do those techniques, it is really very good for your anxiety that you
And
can come out of it. Yeah.
yes.
Next, what you can do is, next you can distract yourself. Suppose the news nowadays, COVID is going on,
Yes.
and people are continuously into news, into media. Okay, and the more they are seeing that news, the more it's triggering them.
Right.
So what they can do is, in spite of seeing the news for the whole day,
Mhm.
just sit for 1 hour and see all the 50 news together. And
Okay.
even if you close down the television for the whole day, that is completely awesome.
True.
So what happens? We won't get any of the news. We won't get startled. We won't worry a lot. Okay. So the more you be away from social media, the more it's going to get better.
Right. Because the thing is, वो
Yeah.
पूरे दिन देखते हैं, तो it's like it's going on in your mind the whole day. You come in the afternoon, you see in the morning, you see in the evening, so you don't have
Exactly.
time to think something else. So that's really a good
True.
idea.
True.
That see all the news at once and just get over it. You can say.
Exactly. I suggest the more you spend your time with family or with yourself,
Mhm.
that is the brilliant thing to come over anxiety.
Okay.
Not
So
only anxiety, even depression and other sorts of mental health. But just give us self-care. Just
okay,
take care of your mental health.
people are doing skin pampering, people are doing good fitness thing, but they're not
Yeah.
lacking in self-caring of their mental health. So
There
this
are too
is
many things to do. There is Zumba, round the clock. There is yoga. There is what more things, activities, even I'm exploring as a psychologist. So there are too many things. हमने कभी किया भी नहीं है, and this is a very good period where we can explore those things.
I even explored something called Reiki. Reiki is also very beautiful
Reiki,
to be done.
healing. It's a healing and it is
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. Okay. So the thing is, from the perspective of lockdown, we have been talking right now. So abhi ye cheez when I have been posting about you were coming on my page, so my viewers were excited and some of my viewers questioned me that कि
Sure.
because of this 10th and 12th results which are approaching, I think the 10th का result आज आ गया and ICSE board, SSC board and 12th का भी is coming, it's gonna come now. So they are feeling stressed out, they are feeling anxious. So what would you say as a psychologist to them at this moment?
Okay. So as a psychologist, to all the students here, क्यों टेंशन लेते हो यार? इतना टेंशन देते हो क्यों? Enjoy your life. This is not the age to take any worries or any tension. But yes, if you are worried, if it's triggering you, what you should do is you should plan your schedule. For a time being, we know now we have given our exams. Now the results are going to get out. अभी हमने जो पेपर में लिखा है उसे तो चेंज कर नहीं सकते. But yes, what we can do is we can prepare more good for the further exams.
Right.
Do not get panic. It doesn't mean that I have written something wrong, or I will get, what if I get failed, or what if I won't pass in the exam? That is going to spoil my career. The students have lots of overthinking.
Very true.
Do not worry at all. If you have written very good, if you are pretty confident on yourself, do not worry at all. And even if your paper has gone bad, then it's absolutely correct. No doubt. Every time there is a lesson, and each and every lesson, there is a beautiful world coming out of it.
Right.
So do not be anxious at all.
I really believe that being in this, like getting just a year back from masters when I'm in this bachelor third year, I feel कि वो 10th और 12th के जो marks है ना, it's just for a time being. I can आज जब 12th के बाद जो future बनता है ना, no one sees back to that marks. So that's not the end of your world. You know, you have gonna get a lot of opportunities ahead. There's no need to get demotivated at that moment.
इसमें कितना ओवरथिंक कर लेते हैं ना बच्चे लोग, बहुत ओवरथिंक कर लेते हैं. क्या होगा, मम्मी चिल्लाएगी तो नहीं, पापा चिल्लाएंगे तो नहीं,
कॉलेज मिलेगी कि नहीं,
क्या बोलेंगे. So that is all sort of what students are going into. Right, so my dear students, my message for you is live your life happy. देखेंगे जो होगा. Do not just live your life in the freedom moment. Do not take any worries from now.
Right. So yeah, it was really amazing and fun talking with you, Sanika. And thank you so much for coming on my page once again. And before going, I always ask every guest of mine, can you tell something about my page to my viewers? What you feel about my page?
Okay, so follow my psychology.com. It's really immense awesome. As I followed my career, it is going to get a broader in a very outstanding forum. Please do recommend this page. Please keep updating about this page and see the videos. And it was really fabulous talking to you and sharing out there. It was my privilege to be here on the platform.
Thank you so much, Sanika. Thank you so much. Yeah. This is key. It means a lot to me. I can say that. Nothing else I can say right now.
No problem. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, and to the viewers, yeah, I think we just made up to you for all the live messing up. But yeah, we at last made it up to you. So thank you so much. And yeah, I just hope that we be in touch for new other sessions in future also on this page.
Sure, definitely.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye.